This lady who's gonna tell me that the police is here to protect her. I told her to tell that to the mamas who lost their daughters and their sons. And she will never understand because she got white privilege. Okay? Like 450 years of white privilege, of free labor, of blacks, Latinos, and even poor whites sometimes. Okay? So, you guys keep marching, stay in their face, and the police, you can stay, but just know you're not welcome.
We are just being killed for nothing. Nice one. All respect. I love it. Can you please?
Justice needs to be served. Everybody say justice.
Justice.
My life matters. I'm the future of this country. If you think you're killing us down, what are we gonna do in the future?
That's
if
right.
you're killing us down, we deserve peace. Y'all white cocks, y'all got your rights. We deserve rights too. Justice needs to be served.
That's right.
And I want to say, we have another family member here, Dion Smith Downing, the mother of James Rivera, who was murdered by the police out in Stockton, California. It's an honor to have her here with us. All these great family members, I want y'all to give a warm support for her now.
Yes, I'm here. I'm standing on regarding of all mothers who lost their loved ones. And I want mothers to know no mother is left behind. I'm standing for all our mothers. All our fathers. I'm standing for the mothers that's in prison. I'm standing for the fathers that's in prison that cannot fight for their son who's been shot down by crooked-ass cops. Now, my son, which is the story was, my son was shot and murdered by 2 Stockton police in a shirt. They shot my son down inside a garage, unarmed, 16 years old. They did not give him medical attention. Only thing they gave him was an AR-15 in the head. We are tired of marching. We are tired of always out here telling the system to do their damn job. We shouldn't have to keep telling them to do their job because they know they are corrupt. And they say there's some good cops out there. If there's some good cops out there, why they have not turned any bad cops in?
That's right.
Enough is enough. When are we going to get tired? Do it gotta be your family next? Because you see that if somebody else's family is being murdered. I said no justice.
No peace.
I said no justice.
No peace.
So that's what I mean when I say no peace. I am tired. I've been out here 5 years fighting for justice for my son. I've been traveling country to country, city to city, standing on the front line, fighting for us. We are tired. We need mothers and fathers and sisters. We need all of y'all in the community to start standing as one. Because we cannot beat the system by one. It takes unity to fight the crooked-ass system. We cannot do it by ourselves. We're not looking for y'all to give us a hand out. We need your support to change what's going on. Because if you don't come together, we're going to be burying somebody else tomorrow. Right. Today was my family, tomorrow going to be your family. And it don't take a science to see this. What do we take? A grieving mother that keep coming into these protesters crying and telling you a story of what happened to her son? Enough is enough. Enough is enough. And I am tired. I am a tired mother, and I am very pissed off right now. One of my comrades, she just lost her son. Her son was 15 years old. That's where my voice is gone. And I had to go and witness that. And I had to, when I looked at her son, and it's sad to say, but I seen it was my son. I seen how the hospital, the emergency room opened his chest up to shock his heart, to massage his heart. But his heart still gave out. And it just brought memory to the back when they shot my son 18 times. How they opened my son up. But my son still didn't make it. So we need your support. We just don't want y'all just come out for a march. We always march. Some of y'all fall off. Some of y'all still on board. But we cannot do this for ourselves. This is called a mother's cry. A mother's cry. No justice.
No peace.
I said no justice.
No peace.
Yeah.
All right, then.